is solve, and I'll put it up here for you guys.
Well, how come this one has a plus 6?
Is it gonna be positive or just?
This one has a plus.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
oh,
yeah.
I'm stupid.
All right. So plus 6
Hey, bro. Hey.
greater than or more than or equal to n minus 5. So we want you to solve this inequality. You guys can discuss it openly. What strategy are you going to use? Can you prove that your answer is right? After that, although we were dealing with negative numbers, what changed here would stay the same. So what that question will it says negative. I changed the signs on there. Under negative, just cross that negative and put positive. Over here.
Oh.
Positive. There you go. So you two can turn and talk and have a discussion about how to solve the first problem.
I think you should try 6 and 6 and 5.
And does it turn into a negative 6 or a positive 6?
Negative.
Why?
Because it's opposite.
Because it's the opposite. It's the inverse operation. Very good. And what we do to one side?
It's 5 minus 6. I did the 5.
You all are right. You're on the right track.
Yeah, no, I knew the answer, but I was being confused.
Oh, yeah.
And then,
Now remember, what about your sign? Is it positive or negative?
negative.
Why?
Because
You're right, but why?
it's the opposite.
Hmm?
It's the opposite of.
Well, and also look at your signs, negative 6 and positive 5. We always want to take the sign of the greater number. And it's up here, guys, too.
Oh, because
I have the rules up here. You can always, like I said, you can always, I don't know if I said this to you guys, but always feel free to look around at our charts. All sorts of stuff is on here, okay? So make sure you make that correction there. Okay. Now, if you can.
Oh, cool.
So now, can you check your answer?
Is it 1 plus 6?
You know what? You guys can tell me, go ahead and tell me what to do. I'll rewrite it. What was your answer? What was the answer you got?
1. Negative 1.
Negative 1. Negative, was it n equals or something?
N equals
Or-
negative 1.
Or actually, n is,
Greater than or equal to.
there you go.
You subtract 6 from 6.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh,
How did you write it? Because I'm writing it backwards. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Take a look at that. What side, what number is on the side of the variable?
6. 85.
Interesting. Okay.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. I knew I was looking at
Okay, yeah.
I was looking at
I didn't realize it until I started to write up here. So take it back to the drawing board. And I guess I'm looking at it upside down from here.
I knew I was looking at it. I was looking at it. So we do 5 on both sides. Look at that. Yeah. Still 1.
no, you're right. You had it right. Put a 5 back there. You're right. And you can check in with Samaya too. It gives you what? There you go. Okay, put it on this side now. You gotta put that -5 over there. No, you could erase that. Erase that
Oh,
-6.
I'm done.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Because I was going along. For remember, I didn't catch it until I was started writing it out. That's fine. We'll do 6. Okay, there you go. So 6, +6, and -5. What do we get? Now, what is our sign though?
Oh.
There you go. And now you bring that sign down. You bring that. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Here we go. Here was the problem. 6 is greater than or equal to n minus 5. What was your strategy? How did you solve this problem?
5. So, take away 5.
Okay, how did you take away 5? Tell me what you did.
I did -5.
Well, we have, yeah. Take away 5.
I was looking at it.
Right, okay. Good.
And that's nothing.
You put it in
6 and
do
negative.
to one side, do to the other.
What you do to one side, do the other, you get what?
1.
1. And 1 is greater than or equal to n, is what they're saying.
Then you do 5 plus 1, you get 6.
1. There you go. And now remember, if the inequality is saying that this number, 1 is as high as it'll go, because that has to be less than, all right? So it could be, what's the number less than 1?
Huh?
What is a number that's less than 1?
0.
0. What's another number that's less than 1 besides 0?
Negative 1. I mean, I said 0.
That's all. That's what I want you guys to start thinking about before we go back to school. Okay. Good. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Go ahead and turn the page. Remember, at the beginning of the lesson, we did one of these, and I said, okay. All right, here we go. Are these two equal?
Mm-hmm.
Take this. Give us an inequality now. There we go. This side is larger than this side. That's an inequality, okay? The thought-provoking question, what is an inequality in your own words? Take a minute to write that down.
Can I
Oh,
see it?
oh,
Can I
oh, you know what?
again?
Oh.
Better yet.
And that's when I did
You know
that.
what? Not equal, correct. Just let's discuss it. Before we write it down, why don't we have a quick discussion? In your own words, what is an inequality?
Inequality is something that's not equal to a number.
Okay.
Basically.
It involves numbers, that's correct. How about if we were to say two groups of things? Give me an example of something that's an inequality.
You got 2 groups of socks, and you got 7 groups of pencils.
Okay?
It's not equal.
They're not equal in number. Or how about this? I've got a pair of sneakers and 1 sock. Not 1 pair of socks. I'm sorry. A pair of sneakers. How much is in a pair?
2.
2. And 1 sock. Is that going to work out? No, it's not balanced. Okay, so go ahead and put down in your own words. What is an inequality? That tongue side there. finish and then let's listen to what you guys have. So somehow what's going to happen? I said, we're probably going to come down here in the next few weeks. We're going to talk to Mr. Hutter, figure out what we had to make up, like with your performance test, and we're going to walk in and we're going to get it done, and we're going to get competent, okay? That's how it's going to happen.
Am I competent in this?
I believe you are. I looked at your work order. Because remember, I worked with you in your performance test, and then, but you had to present it by yourself, remember that? You had to do that whole speech by yourself. Okay, so that's the same thing we do. Okay, go ahead, Raven. Let's see what you got.
I said, inequality is when you have top and you have
Okay.
so it's not equal.
There you go. Nice. That'll work. How about you, Samana? What you got?
Inequality is something that's equal to
Okay, inequality is something that's equal.
what's not equal.
That's not equal. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, not equal. It's unbalanced. Okay. Let's look at your exit. What is that exit ticket? What was today's objective?
Solving.
Go ahead and jot that down. You got it. Go ahead and write it down. And then that exit ticket, that problem, you can solve that one on your own. That would probably be the only part of our lesson packet where we will work alone. There and perhaps to do now. Good idea. Use that calculator if you feel like it. When you're done, just put your name on the front page. I'm going to go back upstairs. I'm going to try to get you guys on the computer. Okay? It's Friday. Keep this here.